It's probably some of the cheaper style units on the market, and a lot of people tend not to use them because they can vibrate and not sit tight on the car. But there is a solution for it, and here it is. It's actually a Velcro strap. Now this one is specifically made for the towing mirrors, and I'll give you a bit of a closer look at it, but it's actually got a buckle there with a couple of loops. Each loop threads through each arm essentially, and this longer strap basically wraps around the hinge of the door. When you close the door shut, it tightens it up and it holds it a lot firmer. I'll show you here on the car. I've actually got it already threaded up, and I've used these for quite a number of years and they work pretty good. Now if you can't get hold of these straps, I'll see if I can find them, and I'll put a link down in the description. Otherwise, they're relatively easy to make. If you buy a little bit of strapping, Velcro, you can sew them up and make them yourself, and it will save you a lot of grief on the road. There you go, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this review. Plenty more like this to come. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll see you again. Thanks, guys.